North Korea welcomes the news that the U.S. has removed North Korea from its terrorism blacklist. President Lee Myung-bak says in a radio address that everyone should take part in overcoming the financial crisis. Mountains in Korea have put forward hints to lure mountain lovers. Hello and welcome to KBS World News. Today is Monday, the 13th of October. The U.S. has removed North Korea from its terrorism blacklist. Pyongyang has welcomed the news and says it will continue to cooperate in verifying the denuclearization process. The six-party talk on the North's nuclear problem is also likely to resume soon.
North Korea is no longer designated a terrorist state by the U.S. The removal of the North from the blacklist comes after more than 20 years. The North Korean Foreign Ministry has welcomed the delisting and says it'll resume disabling its nuclear facilities. North Korea will be freed from sanctions under U.S. international financial law and now can debut on the international financial market. But experts say few economic effects are expected, as the North still has more than 20 sanctions remaining, including those on missiles. The six-party talks are also expected to resume soon.
And I think the Chinese would like to call a meeting as soon as possible, possibly within this month, to finalize and adopt this verification package.
Plans for ratifying discussion on verification between Pyongyang and Washington and wrapping up the second phase of disablement will be discussed.
2단계 불능화 마무리 문제 그리고 가능하다면 그 3단계에 관해서도 협의를 할 수 있는 그런 기회가 되기를 희망을 합니다.
But a long way remains until ratification, as both sides have yet to come to an agreement.
President Lee Myung-bak has urged economic leaders to do their jobs in helping Korea overcome the financial crisis in a radio address. He has also put pressure on financial institutions to support struggling companies that can be saved.
President Lee Myung-bak says he's certain that Korea has a bright future despite economic difficulties. He said in a radio address that everyone should help overcome the financial crisis.
지금의 어려움을 극복하는 지름길은 기업과 금융기관, 정치권, 그리고 소비자인 국민 모두가 서로 믿고 각자의 역할을 충실히 하는 것입니다.
He says trust is crucial to overcome difficulties and promised to have the government take more discreet actions and have all matters open to the public. President Lee also says struggling companies with surpluses must not go bankrupt, adding the government's priority is to save existing jobs and expand career opportunities.
비가 올 때는 우산을 빼앗지 말아야 한다는 게 평소의 제 소신입니다. 조금만 도와주면 살릴 수 있는 기업은 금융기관이 이럴 때에 적극적으로 나서 줘야 합니다.
The president also says around 600 bills have been drawn up over the past 7 months for restoring the economy. He's asked the National Assembly to pass them quickly as this upcoming regular session. President Lee says reducing energy consumption just 10% can help Korea avoid a current account deficit. He's also urged the Korean people to cut overseas spending. The presidential office is planning another radio address by the president, but whether it will be a regular event remains uncertain.
The parliamentary inspection of government offices and ministries has reached a midway point. Both the ruling and opposition parties pledged to focus on policies before the inspection started, but they are focused on political bickering instead of following on their promise. Here's a look at each party's strategies for the remainder of the inspection.
The ruling Grand National Party says it's focusing on policies in the first stage of the parliamentary inspection. The party says the incumbent administration underwent a quasi-parliamentary inspection over the resumption of U.S. beef imports. The party has thus tried to publicize the failures of the previous Roh Moo-hyun government in its final days. The main opposition Democratic Party says it has uncovered the incumbent administration's failures. The parliamentary inspection has passed the midway point. The ruling party will focus on reform of the comprehensive real estate and corporate taxes and downsizing of public corporations. The main opposition party will grill ministries over their solutions to overcome the financial crisis. The Democratic Party will also blast government for what it calls attempts to erode the nation's democratic achievements.
이번 국정감사를 시작했었을 때와 마찬가지로 민생 국감 또 정치 국감으로 일관하게 진행하겠다.
종부세 폐지를 위한 통계 조작, 이봉화 차관의 불법 쌀 직불금 신청, 박만수 최시중 위중 등 3대 국감 사기극을 엄중히 다룰 것입니다.
The minor conservative Liberty Forward Party plans to become an alternative opposition party by taking advantage of the parliamentary audit. The Progressive Democratic Labor Party will focus on resolving the disputed status of non-regular workers over the inspection's remaining period.
Koreans will be able to get internet phones pretty soon without having to change their phone numbers. Internet phones offer free calls between subscribers using the same service provider and lower fees than landline phones. A mass departure of customers from landline phone service providers is expected.
The domestic phone industry will see a drastic change late this month, with users of internet phones to be allowed to retain their phone numbers. Making international and long-distance calls on internet phone cost 80% less than on existing landline phones. The two formats charge about the same for local calls. But internet phones offer additional free services like search engines.
문자를 보낼 수 있다는 것이 좀 편리하고요. 간단하게 하지만 뉴스라든가 날씨라든가 그런 거 검색할 수 있어서 그런 게 좀 편리한 것 같습니다.
The number of internet phone users have grown to 1.6 million over the past year. The number is expected to reach 2 million late this year.
무선 전용 단말기와 함께 기존 전화기를 그대로 이용할 수 있도록 서비스하는 등 고객의 선택 폭을 넓혀가겠습니다.
Internet phone services are revamping the face of domestic phone market, which has been dominated by KT. But KT isn't one to sit idle by. The telecom giant has introduced its own internet phone product and a new affordable service.
집전화 가입자의 이탈이 어느 정도 우려되는 것은 사실이지만 집전화의 다양한 선택 요금제와 결합 상품 등으로 충분히 대응이 가능하다고 생각됩니다.
Internet phones will heat up competition in the domestic phone market, which is worth $5.3 billion.
The Korean won's falling value against the dollar is rattling nerves in Korea. The strong greenback is putting an additional financial burden on parents whose children study abroad. The effects of the weaker won is also being felt by other industries, including tourism.
This woman sends more than $30,000 a year to her son, who's studying in the U.S. She didn't send money to the U.S. last month when the won traded at 1,100 to the dollar. She now regrets it. Her family's income remains unchanged, but the amount of won needed to send dollars to her son has risen more than 40% from early this year.
저는 이제 더 이상 나올 돈이 없으니까 가지고 있는 땅이라든가 조그만한 거라도 부동산 처분해서 지금 도와주려고 생각을 하고 있죠.
Overseas study services in Korea say they fear a drop in the number of customers. Many have postponed or canceled plans to study abroad because of the weak won.
오늘 아침에도 지금 미국 가는 걸 좀 보려야 되겠다. 그래서 1,500원까지 올라간다는 어떤 그런 얘기가 있어서.
Fall is traditionally a peak season for weddings and tourism. But travel agencies are feeling serious repercussions from the strong dollar this year.
현지 지상비가 저희는 이제 달러로 송금을 하기 때문에 그에 따른 비율이 높아지다 보니까 이제 신혼부부들에 대한 허니문 경비 자체가 지금 전체적으로 좀 오른 상태입니다.
The weakening won is fueling fears for the health of the Korean economy.
Temperatures at Daegan Ridge have fallen below 0 Celsius for the first time this year. Mountains have also put on fall tints to lure mountain lovers.
The once green tree leaves that have endured the scorching summer sun have changed into bright tints of autumn. Boulders look more exquisite among the shades of red and yellow. Along with a cool autumn breeze, scarlet maple leaves are gradually spreading southwards. The Ulsan boulder got its name from the myth that a giant boulder stopped at Mount Sorak on its way to Mount Kumgang From Ulsan, the boulder is crowded with climbers. Eulelia covering the fields and plateau white symbolizes beautiful fall scenery along with maple and ginkgo. The snow-white Eulelia swaying in the autumn breeze forms a breathtaking picture. Farmers gather the year's late harvest in the field. Sesame seeds slowly pile up in a small mountain. A graying old man's steps show the traces of fleeting time. With the crisp blue skies above and yellow and scarlet mountains around, fall has finally come.
A 6-year-old ginseng is known to have the best health benefits among types of the medicinal root. Farmers in the northern Seoul suburb of Paju are busy harvesting the 6-year-old ginseng ahead of an upcoming ginseng festival.
A tractor drives through the field, dropping ginseng behind. Farmers meant ginseng carefully grown over the past 6 years. Farms in Paju are harvesting ginseng ahead of the Paju Kaesong Ginseng Festival.
여름내 이거 고생하다가 가을에 이제 수확하니까는 낫죠. 좋죠 아무래도.
All of the Kaesong ginseng grown and harvested in Paju are 6 years old. Ginseng aged 6 years are known to have the best health benefits. The soil here drains water well, is rich in minerals, and maintains the appropriate acidity for growing ginseng. The harvested ginseng is classified fresh from the field. The ginseng is graded according to size and shape and stored in a low-temperature warehouse. The ones to be sold at the Ginseng Festival receive extra care. Paju public workers inspect the quality and have them sealed with keys.
봉인을 일일이 전부 다 해가지고 좋은 저장고에 보관을 했다가 판매장에 나가서 팔기 때문에 타 인삼은 한 뿌리도 오지 않고 믿고 사가셔도 됩니다.
25 tons of ginseng sold out too soon at last year's festival, so 60 tons have been prepared this year. The 2-day Paju Kaesong Ginseng Festival opens Saturday around the Imjinggak Park area.
Korea will host the Ram Convention on Wetlands October 28 in the southeastern city of Changwon. An exhibition has opened ahead of this major international event to show rare wetland creatures of Korea.
Upo Marsh is the Korea's largest wetland. This is a life-size model of the plant-eating whopper swan inhabiting the area. A golden eagle hunts a mandarin duck with its sharp eyes and talons. Only about 10 of the eagles have survived in coastal lakes along the east coast. The black-faced spoonbill with its distinct bill is also a rare species that breeds only in Korea. Museum specimens of 132 bird species living in Korea's wetlands are on display at the National Institute of Biological Resources.
상당히 새들이 본래 모습대로 자연스럽게 날개를 피고 있다던가 먹이 먹는 모습들이 섬세하게 나타나 있어서 놀랐습니다.
Another attraction is about 20 species of wetland fish. 돌맞아 is also indigenous to Korea. The rather plain-looking freshwater fish is only 5 centimeters in length. Endangered marsh plants like water hemlock and water shield demonstrate the diversity of the wetland ecosystem in Korea.
습지는 저희가 일반적으로 상상하는 그 이상으로 많은 생물들이 깃들여져서 살고 있습니다.
Admission to the exhibit is free and the event runs through February.
As temperatures begin to drop, many of you may find it hard to pass by shops selling steam buns, one of the most favorite fall and wintertime snacks in Korea. Steam buns made of natural ingredients are more popular these days due to concerns raised by recent food hazards. Let's go have a close look into a village specializing in steam buns. This is Hwangdun village, famous for the country's best-tasting steam buns. The streets are lined with shops selling the village's specialty. No one can stop his mouth from watering at the sight of these steaming hot buns. The buns made in these villages are particularly more delicious as the dough contains rice powder.
3시간 걸려서 서울에서 왔습니다. 이 빵 사러요.
but the village's buns are most famous for being made the old-fashioned way. Lots of eggs and milk are put into the batter for more softness and unrefined rice wine called makgeolli for the taste of the old days. The red bean filling that mainly determines the taste is also prepared carefully. After the dough is left to sit for 2 hours, the red bean filling is pressed into the little balls of dough by hand. Then the buns are left to sit for 1 hour before steaming. After about just 10 minutes in the steamer, the buns are ready to eat. Another shop sells buns that look and taste a bit different. Natural ingredients good for the body are added. Colorful buns made with pumpkin, wormwood, and black rice are a pleasure to the eyes, as well as the palate. For yellow pumpkin buns, boiled pumpkin is mixed into the flour, and rice powder base dough. The filling also contains pumpkin. They're especially popular among kids. Wormwood buns have wormwood added to the dough, and filling as well. The scent and taste is said to be excellent.
찐빵이 가짓수가 10가지예요. 그래서 낱개로 한 가지씩 주문하시는 것보다 이렇게 모둠으로 주문하시면 10가지 찐빵의 맛을 볼 수가 있어요.
Visitors can also make steamed buns themselves. The program is very popular. The colorful dough is divided and filled with sweet fillings. Not a single one look alike. Participants have used their imagination to create their own bun.
제 이름으로 만든 찐빵이에요. 하나밖에 없어요.
Some have shaped their buns into cartoon characters and flowers. There's a bun shaped like a cat with red bean eyes.
닭을 만들려고 하다가 실패한 거예요.
Thanks to the different shapes and design, it won't be so hard to find one's own bun after steaming.
제 손맛이 느껴지는 게 정말 맛있어요.
Steamed buns are favorite winter snacks for many Koreans, young and old. How about having a nice warm evening, eating sweet steamed buns with your loved ones tonight? Here are today's economic indicators and the weather. That's it for this edition of KBS World News Today. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.